everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday! So it's currently 3:10 in the afternoon and gagawin namin ang aming activity every week, which is walking sa forest, sa trail. Alam niyo na, para sa ating kalusugan. And since maganda ang weather, at this moment it's 23 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. So it's gonna be sunny until 8 p.m. So ang sunset ay 8:02 p.m. And update lang sa aking paso. Ayan, medyo naghihil na siya. Si Mr. sabi niya sa akin, lagyan ko daw ng petroleum jelly. Kaso hindi ako nakinig. Tapos may isang nag-comment, si Miss Cindy. Sabi niya, for first degree burn daw, talaga maganda is petroleum jelly. So dapat pala talaga ilagyan ko na kagad ng petroleum jelly. And alam niyo ba yung nangyari? Diba para siyang merong blister. And si Zelda, na-scratch niyang ganon, edi sumabog yung yung parang tubig doon. Ang hakte, grabe. Pero ayun, okay naman. Okay na siya. May nilagyan ko lang ng Band-Aid, and medyo patuyo na siya kasi medyo makati-kati na. Ay nako, peklat na naman. Dati napaso din ako sa tambucho ng motor. Bata pa ako nun, siguro 17 ako nun, or 18. Pero hindi naman ganun kahalata yung peklat niya. Nilagyan ko kasi ito ng Sebo de Macho. Alam, effective talaga yung Sebo de Macho. Hindi ko alam kung na-try nyo na yun before. Kaso hindi ko alam kung may Sebo de Macho pa dito. Nalagay ko sana dito sa aking paso. Check ko kung meron, baka wala. So anyway, wala naman tayong magagawa, ganyan talaga siya. So lagyan ko na lang siguro ng petroleum jelly. Parang okay naman kasi yung petroleum jelly. Eh hindi ko lang alam kung mawawala niya yung peklat or kahit paano is ma-fade niya. Anyway, ayun, dito kami sa store, may binibili lang si Mister, and then after that, punta kami sa aking mga in-laws, and then yun, mag-walking na kami after. Dito kami sa aking mga in-laws, guys. Yan si Zayra, naglalaro ng kanyang bubbles. Tapos maya-maya, mag-walking na kami doon sa trail. Pop! And ito naman ang ating baby Zelda. Hi, baby Zelda! Hi, Zelda!
A pop bubble.
Gonna pop the bubbles. Ooh, sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon, guys. Yun. Ooh.
Pop, pop,
Pop. Dance, dance, dance.
pop.
Can you dance?
A pop bubble.
You can pop the bubbles.
Spray this chair with bubbles. So then we can get it.
Gusto namin itong isang chair.
It's a nice chair with bubbles.
Yeah. Para sa ano to? Okay na. Para sa offload. Sarah, stop.
No, baby, stop.
Ito na kami sa trail, guys. Medyo late na. 4 p.m.
A go walking.
Zayra and Zelda. Ha?
A go.
Go the other way. Dito kami sa ibang way. Para iba naman yung makita niyo. Yeah. Zayra. Zelda. And para hindi masyadong bumpy para kay Zelda, yan yung ginamit namin na
A go
na carriage. Kasi pang siya, pang off-road. Yes, we're gonna walk in the forest. Medyo mas maliit tong makipot tong dito. kalsada. The road is smaller here. Zeta, Zeta! What's so funny? Stay in the middle. You remember that when Mama said stay in the middle? Careful, ate, ha? Dada and Zelda. 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 Hi, cutie Zelda. Hi, cutie Dad. Merong ano dito. What you call this? Swamp?
Yeah.
Swamp?
It's like a bog.
Ha?
It's like a bog.
Ayan, may body of water dyan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo. Mas masukal dito sa lalakaran namin ngayon. Tsaka yun nga, mas maliit yung kalsada. Ayan, tsura dyan. Kasi ito ay road. Yan. Walang masyadong naglalakad dito. Kaya gusto namin dito. Kasi nung nakaraan, medyo madaming tao doon. Dino-double check natin ang carriage ni Baby Zelda. Hi! Hi! Bilis yun. Why didn't you go here?
I don't know if we even knew they were here.
The
I feel
trail?
like- yeah, I feel like we did not know they were here. We knew the entrances were there.
Maybe this is not yet. It looks like it's not.
Oh, look at the worm. Don't step on it.
You
Is that
want
a
to see the word?
centipede? Look at that. That's a centipede. I never saw one of those before. Look at that. Paganib. Paganib centipede.
Centipede? Is that a centipede?
Is it a creepy crawly? Is it a
May
creepy crawly?
centipede.
I never saw one of those.
Are you sure it's a centipede?
That's a centipede.
We should
You count the legs. I bet it's got 100.
What if I step on it?
It hits you.
Yan si Mr. Ayaw niya nang may may
It's a very special
sinasaktan ng mga kahit anong creatures. Kahit mga insekto. Basta ayaw niya. Right, Zelda? Are you happy with your carriage? It's not too bumpy. This area is kind of scary compared to the other one. It's too...
I like this one better because I don't think anybody's going to go down this way. I think they would all go the other way.
Yeah, and then if some bad people are over here, we're gonna be... What is it? Wala talaga kami nakakasalubong. Kami lang ang andito. Pero masarap maglakad-lakad, maganda yung weather. What is that sound? Someone's riding the motorcycle. So ganyang kakipot yung kalsada. Ayan. Liit. Si Zeta at si Zelda. Hi!
How's Zelda doing?
Ha?
Zelda doing? Look at that. What are you doing?
She's enjoying. I think she's way too lean.
Forward?
Leaning backwards. She should be moving forward. But I guess she's okay. She's not. Oh, she's smiling.
She needs a pillow.
I think she just wants to see you.
She needs a pillow.
We don't have a pillow. She's fine.
Come on, baby.
Merong parang signage doon, whistle stop something. What is that?
No.
Medyo nakakatakot yung tunog ng ano, puno. Parang babagsak siya. Ang laki pa naman, oh. Do you hear that? The sound of the tree. It's like it's going to fall down. Sira, Sira. Si Zit, enjoy na naman. Mas mahaba-haba ngayon yung lalakarin namin. Ito ayun, no, main road na siya dito. Sobrang masukal dito sa area na ito. Now, what is that road?
Water.
It's not a clean water. It's dirty. Ew, yucky.
Ew, slime.
Is that yucky, slimy water?
Come on. Ha? Look at Zelda. Tapos ano kagabi, sobrang hilong-hilo ako. Inatake ako ng aking vertigo. Tapos kaninang umaga din, hindi pa siya nawawala. Nakakatakot. Akala ko mapapadala ako sa ospital. Pero naging okay naman na. Pero hindi pa ako sobrang okay. Kaya naglalakad-lakad kami. Medyo mabigat pa rin yung ulo ko. Zera. Ang dami mga bugs. Ay, lava. Ano pala, nung kahapon, was it yesterday when we found that there was a tick at Zelda's back? So, kinagat ng tick si Zelda. But you said that it's okay, right? The Lyme disease, I'm just scared of that.
No.
Why?
You're bit by more ticks than anybody.
Nothing happened. Yeah, kasi merong Lyme disease
Unless I
dito.
have Lyme disease and just don't even know it, which is possible. Unless you're tired.
How is it? What's the symptoms of Lyme disease?
Tired and achy. Which is,
Achy?
I am tired and achy.
Maybe I also have Lyme disease. Ayun lang yung medyo mahirap dito pagka pupunta ka sa mga forest, yun lang. That mag-ingat doon sa mga ticks. Kasi merong Lyme disease. Ayan yung itsura ng mga puno dito ngayon. Ngayong spring season na. Si Zeta, hindi pa rin siya napapagod magtakbo-takbo. Meron akong ibang mga napapanood ng mga bata na naglalakad sa trail. Pagod sila agad. Ito si Zeta, ang daming energy. Zeta, aren't you tired? still have more energy. A lot of energy. Mr. tsaka si Zelda. Tingnan nyo, meron mga logs dito. Love, are you allowed to take these logs? No? Huh?
Drive a truck up this trail. I guess you could if you want.
You could if you want.
But it's not good wood. It's all rotten.
Oh. It looks like they cut it in on purpose. Huh? Zeta. Zeta. Wait for Mama and Dada. Zeta. Come here. Ayan, merong nakalagay dito. Ride the east. Rough surface ahead. Ride with caution. Sand. Look. There's a warning. Come on. Wala talaga naglalakad dito sa trail na to, kami lang. Zeta, come on. Nakakapagod. Pero maganda siya talagang exercise. Tapos ang ganda rin ng kanyang view. Yung sakit ng ulo ko at hilo ko is talagang parang nahihil niya. Si Zelda na-enjoy din niya. How about Zeta? Do you enjoy walking in the forest? Do you enjoy walking in the forest? See guys, let's walk in the forest. Walk into the forest. Walk into the forest.
Stone.
What's that? Stone? Stone.
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 Stone. Show it to them. Stone. Malayo-layo na kami sa... Maybe let's go back. I don't know how long is it. I think it is. What time? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, because my storage is only 39 minutes left. This was like 1 hour and something. So it's more than 30 minutes. I'm telling them I thought I'm gonna die this morning.
What else is new?
Oy, it's my vertigo. It's different. It's not anxiety. And then he thought I'm just being lazy. And then I cried. And then that's the time that I think he believed me. I
believed you the whole time. I just don't really care.
So, I
know you too well. I know you better than you know yourself.
I love no. It was scary. I thought I would really need you to bring me to the hospital. What is this? There's a road. It's closed. Of those vloggers that we are watching, the one in Netherlands, they are kissing in front of the camera. Let's copy them. Why? You're a conservative. Are you a conservative American?
I'm just not a circus monkey. I'm not a performer.
Whatever, you don't want to kiss me in front of the camera.
No, but you should show them the fish tank tomorrow.
You should what?
The fish tank, now that it looks better. Or tomorrow it'll look better.
What am I gonna do?
Show them the fish tank. 'Cause
Later.
There's no light on later. You gotta wait till tomorrow for the light. For the dust to settle. It'll look good tomorrow. And then after 2 days, the algae will start to look back.
We'll go back. So, niya, nilinis niya yung aquarium. Kasi ang daming algae. So hopefully it's maging okay. What are you gonna do if the algae comes back?
I made the light go on less so the algae does not have so much light. And I ordered a lot of plants
What's that sound?
to fight the.
There's
If you
someone
have enough plants, then maybe the algae.
play music. Tapos pala guys, may sinend na picture yung aking father-in-law kay Mr. Love. Is it a bear? Your dad saw a bear at your property.
Yeah. I have the picture right here.
I'm gonna insert it here. You send it to me. I'm going to insert it in on the vlog. Tinatanong ko siya kung anong gagawin namin paano pagka may bear dito. Ha, love, what are we gonna do if there's a bear here? Are they fast? Ay!
Are bears fast?
Yes. They are?
Yeah, and they're terrifying.
I thought they are very slow because they're big.
No,
So if it's gonna...
they're fast. It's like getting hit by a car. You really can't fight a car if it hits you.
They run fast? Are you sure? Because I
This is the
think
bear that was. It looks big.
it's small.
I don't know. It looks medium size.
I'll insert it here. It's better if I insert it. I could see it. Yun, medyo nakakatakot lang rin kasi nga may bear. But it's not common, right? It's rare.
It's rare.
Yeah, very rare naman siya. Napagod na si Zeta, nagpabuhat na. Ayan. Malayo-layo din kasi yung nilakad namin. Siguro more than 30 minutes papunta. Tapos pabalik pa. Pero in fairness naman kay Zeta, ano din, matagal-tagal din yung nilakad niya. Buhat-buhat na siya ni Mister. Guys, tingnan nyo, merong turtle dito. Ayan. Nangingitlog siya.
So weird. I think it's a tortoise actually.
Turtles?
Oh, that's a tortoise. That's even better than a turtle. Turtles are mean. Tortoises are sweet. I would take it home as a pet.
Ah, is it the one that... Love, no. That one, they said that it's gonna hurt you.
It's hard to have them as pets because they need a lot of space.
If you touch them, it's going to...
This is a tortoise.
Yeah, that's turtle.
You're thinking it's a snapping turtle.
Oh, snapping turtle. That's different.
I want that thing.
Turtle.
No.
You know, this is a very special moment. It's hard to find a tortoise. You almost never see a tortoise anywhere. Turtles are very common, but tortoise is very rare.
So, uwi na kami guys. Ito si Zelda ay nakatulog na. Tingnan niyo to. What is this, love? Cute, oh. Ayan. Haba rin talaga ng nilakad namin. It's 5:28 PM na. Siguro mga more than 1 hour din yun. Sarap sa feeling. Nawala talaga yung sakit ng ulo ko at ang aking hilo-hilo.